I'm gonna cut a little piece. This is what it look like. Look yummy. Tastes real nice. I'm cutting some banana leaf to make blue jars, otherwise called tire leaf. Cutting 2 leaves. See, people? I'm washing the banana leaf, see? Washing it with water before I use it. I'm gonna turn it over. Turn it over and rinse it off. Make sure it's clean, clean, clean. Welcome back to another video. I'm here making zucchini, otherwise called tire leaf, and they call it blue draws, D-R-A-W-S. This is the cinnamon leaf. It's already cooked, so I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna add coconut milk. See, coconut milk, fresh coconut milk. I'm gonna have it, make it cook, and then when it's boiled up, then I'm gonna add some sugar in it. I'm gonna add sugar. This is cornmeal. I'm gonna sieve it. This is like 2.5 pounds of cornmeal. I'm gonna sieve it, and then after I sieve it, then I'm gonna put it in the pot. Make sure nothing not in it. Then I'm going to add sugar. This is like a pound of sugar. I had a scale, so I weighed it. Already weighed. Gonna have this, let it boil, and then after it come to a boil, then I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients in it. I'm going to add raisin. This is raisin. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and also 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Maybe a little more, maybe 2 teaspoons. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. See, mixed spice. I'm going to stir it a little bit. Then I'm gonna add some nutmeg, grated nutmeg, see? I'm gonna add like maybe half a teaspoon of salt, or 1 teaspoon. I think 1 teaspoon is enough. You don't have to put salt in it, but just a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna stir it again. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of roasted almond. This is vanilla. I'm gonna put about, see, Benjamin vanilla. I'm gonna add about 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Then I'm going to stir it again. I want it to boil up. See, it's boiling. So I'm gonna add the other ingredients them in it. See, I'm gonna add some more ingredients in it. I'm gonna add some butter. Over here now, I'm gonna add some water in the cornmeal to let it a little bit. I don't want it to be too, I have to add the water in it. So see, water. It's good to add water in it because the cornmeal is too dry. So when I add the water in it now, then I'm gonna add it in the pot. See, more water. More water in it. Still more water, more water. See? Still need a little more water. See, I'm gonna add it in the pot and turn. Turn, turn, turn. See? Turn, turn, turn. Turn it after. I have to turn it until it get thick. After it get thick now, I'm going to put this stove on a low heat. I'm going to put it in the I'm gonna put it in the banana leaf. The reason why I put the cinnamon leaf to cook and I do it this way, I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, because that's the way I saw my grandmother did it when I was a child. So I just follow her footstep and do it. Nobody did not teach me how to cook, to do nothing. I just watch them and then I just do. So I just decided I'm going to get it done this way. I have to keep turning it until it get thick. Almost ready. Look at it. See it? See it? Thick. See it? So almost ready to almost ready to put on the banana leaf. In another few minutes it will be ready. Take a look at this. It's finished and ready. Look at it. Let me show you guys what it look like. Look. See? Ready, ready, ready. See? This is how it look when it's done. Ready to drop. See, I'm wiping up the banana leaf and I'm going to drop the cornmeal on it and make the dunkunu. These are already put them in the already kind of quail the banana leaf so they can it won't break up. So this is how this is how you make it. And I'm gonna tie it up, and then I'm going to, after I tie it up now, then I'm gonna put it to steam. This is the string from the banana leaf. So this is how I'm gonna do it. See, tie it like this, and then see. Then I'm gonna place it in this. This is what it look like when it's finished wrapping the banana leaf. So I'm gonna put it on the oven and cook it. Take a look in the pot. See the pot here with water. See, it's on top of the pot now, and I'm gonna steam it. I'm gonna cover it with file paper over it. See, file paper. See, I'm gonna put this on top, and that's it. Then it's gonna steam. I'm gonna have it steam for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I'm going to take a look and see what it look like. See? See, it's still steaming. Look at it. It's still steaming. The water is in the bottom of the pot. Ready and waiting. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I'm going to put one in here. Then I open it and let me see what it looks like. See what it look like when it's finished? Take a look. Looking good. Kind of hot. This is original. Back in the days, like in the 80s. This is what it look like when you make Thai leaf, zucchini, or blue drawers. See? It's hot now, but it's gonna be gonna cut a little piece. This is what it look like. Look yummy. Tastes really nice. Come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe, and give the video a like. Thank you for watching.